this.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey guys, so today, stop.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey guys, so today I'm here. I'm gonna do Natasha's makeup and Haley's gonna do her hair. We're gonna do a really fun look with a neon purple eyeliner and really pretty curls with extensions. We're honestly just doing this for fun. We all need content at this point.
Tea.
Tea. Say hi. Here's our setup.
You're gonna took man.
See? Under pressure now, huh?
Yeah.
We just finished Natasha's makeup. I'm getting better at vlogging now.
Guys, it is literally insane.
You look so
Makeup.
pretty.
Thanks.
So cute. Hey, get in the vlog.
Hey.
Babe, come here. She's like, I'm too famous for you bitches. Okay, so we just finished Natasha's makeup and now we're gonna have a little closet organization day. My beauty closet is so scary right now. Get ready. It's like overflowing with PR and like random makeup. Babe, hold on. Mom's busy. I moved into this apartment in like February and I did a huge purge of my beauty closet, and so I got rid of most of the things that were like expired or like I know I don't use. It's a lot. We're gonna try and organize that. Hopefully I have enough containers. All right, Bae's gonna give you guys a tour of the closet. So this is my beauty closet. I bought all of these containers from the Container Store. I have them organized by like lashes, bronzers, powders, things like that. But because they're so full right now, I've kind of just shoved everything into random drawers. So we're gonna try and get this taken care of. She thinks that this is hers. She knows she's not allowed in there. And that's why like the second it gets open, she's ready. Okay, so we realized that we ran out of containers, so we're on our way to the Container Store now. I think we're just gonna get like one or two of these t-shirt containers and then a few of the shoebox ones as well. These are really good for like smaller products like my lip liners, and the shoeboxes are good for like foundations, skincare. Okay, we just got our containers and now I'm ordering food. I'm really bad at multitasking. I don't know why I started vlogging. Carly just got veggie grill and I'm about to order Chop Stop. What'd you get?
I got 2 Baja fish tacos and some sweet potato fries.
Oh my gosh, yum.
Would you like to try one?
Those are really good.
Go to Veggie Grill, everyone.
I had it once and I didn't realize that it was vegan. I thought that they just like had healthy food, so I got a burger from there and
Not good.
I think it would have been fine if like I knew, but I wasn't expecting it to be like a vegan burger, so I was like really confused when I started eating it. But I remember I got fries and they were really good. Also, we just edited the pictures from Natasha's makeup this morning. They look so good. I'm like obsessed. I'm about to post one in a little bit whenever I get home. Done her makeup one other time and it was a really cute look too. I'll maybe insert photos if I know how to do that. And then we're doing her makeup again this Saturday, so I'm super excited. She's so cute and so fun to work with. I really like her. Just got my salad. I always get it's technically a build your own from Chop Stop because their Caesar salad has like avocado and things that I don't eat because I'm 12. I just get like the normal Caesar from there. So we're gonna go back home. I just almost hit that car, wow. We're gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna keep organizing. We just got back to the apartment and we have our new containers. Yeah, so we're putting products there for a giveaway. This is a bunch of stuff I got rid of, which is great. Just finished the beauty closet and it looks so good. I'm so excited. We're gonna do a big reveal. Ready? Ta-da! I'm so happy. Honestly, it didn't take that long either. Basically, how we organize things is I have these small little containers up here like I was talking about earlier, and then the big ones down there. And whenever they sit on top of each other, they kind of like lock in, so it's super easy. They're not gonna move around or anything like that. And then they just slide out. And if I wanna like eventually switch the setup of any, they literally just slide out. I don't have to mess with the structure or anything. It's super easy. And basically the way I have things organized in here, at the top it's kind of like sanitizer, wipes, gum. And then as you work your way down, it's like brows, bronzers, liquid, blush, and I have like 3 boxes of skincare and like 2 or 3 of foundation as well. I feel like we need to do another purge sometime soon, but this was a lot for one day. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys. It's a box worth over $500 of makeup and skincare. I'm going to announce the giveaway on my Instagram Friday, which is the day that I'm uploading this. So in order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram at Alexis Oakley, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then tag 3 friends in the comments of my most recent Instagram picture announcing the giveaway. The giveaway winner will be announced Monday, September 14th. I'm super excited. Good luck to everyone who's entering. Make sure to tag friends. I promise you this is a really, really amazing box of skincare and makeup. A lot of it's products that I actually use on my clients as well. So be sure to enter, subscribe, follow, like, comment, all the things. You guys know what to do. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I'm super excited to get back into vlogging again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.